A powerful snowstorm blanketing Michigan and fueled by lake-effect snow triggered a massive chain reaction crash on Interstate 196 on Monday, involving roughly 100 vehicles. The Ottawa County Sheriff's Office says the pileup occurred just before 10:20 a.m. near Zeeland and Hudsonville as whiteout conditions drastically reduced visibility. Several cars slid off the icy road and collided in rapid succession, with 30 to 40 semi-trailer trucks also caught up in the wreckage. Michigan State Police and local deputies closed both directions of the highway for several hours, while emergency crews worked to clear the scene. Authorities reported numerous injuries, with 9 to 12 people taken to area hospitals, but no fatalities have been confirmed. Stranded motorists were transported by buses from Hudsonville High School to safety as weather conditions continued to hamper travel. The National Weather Service had warned of dangerous winter conditions, including heavy lake-effect snow, reduced visibility, and winds gusting up to 40 miles per hour, creating treacherous travel conditions across the region. Forecasters say the storm system stretched across multiple states as it moved eastward, prompting winter weather advisories throughout the Midwest. Officials urged drivers to avoid travel in affected areas and exercise extreme caution as cleanup operations continue and roadways are cleared.